Good morning, student. This is Sarita, your science teacher, again come here with our new video of chapter 7. Name is Weather, Climate and Adaptation of Different Animals to Different Climate. In our last video, we had discussed about weather and climate. Today in this video we will discuss about adaptation and how the different animal they adapted in different climate. You all know climate has a great effect on all the living organism. Means climate affect plant also and animal also. So the living organism have all living organism have some favorable characteristic like their body shape, their structure, color, size, behavior or food habits that suited to climate of that habitat. So what is the adaptation? These are the favorable characteristic or we can say feature which enable the living organism to survive and breed in their surrounding. Surrounding means in their habitat is called adaptation. For example, plants and animals living in very cold or hot climate must possess some of the adaptation to protect themselves against extreme cold or hot climatic condition. So, adaptation is of mainly two types. One is the behavioral adaptation and second one is the structural adaptation. Very first, what is the behavioral adaptation? Behavioral adaptation means the moving of animal in large group. Means when the animal move in large group from one place to another place is called behavioral adaptation. And it helps to protect the group member from predator. For example, birds migration. Okay. Second one is structural adaptation. What is structural adaptation? This is the change in body structure of an animal is called structural adaptation. Means how the particular animal they change their body structure to adapt themselves in changing environmental condition or in changing climatic condition. It helps to protect it against the cold weather. For example, the fur on a polar bear. So now we will discuss some of the adaptation in some animals one by one. Very first we discuss about the animal of the polar region. Very first try to understand where the polar region is situated and which type of climatic condition is there. The area that is situated near the north and south pole of earth means the area that is present near the north pole and south pole of our earth planet is called polar region. The polar region have an extreme cold climate. Which type of climate, student? Extreme cold climate. Some well-known countries that belong to this polar region like Canada, Greenland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska and the USA and Siberian region of Russia. These are the region which come under the polar region. So the animal that found in the polar region, how they can survive? Here in polar region the 6 months the sun doesn't rise and other 6 months the sun doesn't set. So many of the animals they found in this polar region and they adapt according to that region themselves and survive also. So some of the polar region that found in that area, for example, penguin, musk oxen, reindeers, foxes, whales, Siberian crane and many type of fishes. According to our syllabus, we will discuss first one is the polar bear. Polar bear, as you can see the structure here, this is the polar bear. This is the picture of polar bear. Now question is this, how this animal they can survive? Very first, in the polar bear, white thick fur. As you can see on the body of polar bear, white thick fur present that help to protect from extreme cold. Secondly, In the body of polar bear, a layer of fat is present under the skin. What is the role of this fat? This provides the additional insulation with the skin and protect them from cold. Third is the wide and large paw having claws that help the polar bear in swimming, walking on the snow, self-defense to holding the prey. Next one, polar bear have the strong sense of smell. This helps the polar bear to locate its prey and enemy easily. Next one is hibernation. During winter, polar bear go for a long sleep. And when polar bear go for a long sleep, that is called hibernation. And where it go for long sleep? In their dens. During hibernation, they live on the stored body fat. Means already the body fat is present and that fat provide energy during this hibernation condition. The next animal that we will discuss is the penguin. Penguin is a flightless bird that live in Antarctic region. Antarctic region means the south polar region of the earth. And as you can see, this is the picture. This is a flightless bird. Penguin do not have predator in the icy remote region where they live. So the penguin eat fish. So they have become very good swimmer. They need not fly to look for food. They have lost their ability to fly. So how this animal survive in the polar region? Some of the adaptation of the penguin. Very first, they have white color body so that they are not easily visible in the snow. Next one, they have thick skin and a lot of fat to protect them from cold. Penguin have very thick skin, and like the polar bear, in the body of penguin also a lot of fat is present to protect it from cold. Next one, they huddle together to keep them warm. You already discussed the polar region have very extreme cold, temperature is very low, so all the penguin they huddle together, means इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं एक साथ, and it provide warmthness to all. Next one is they have streamlined body like the fish and webbed feet. This streamlined body helps the penguin to easily swim in the water, and through water this penguin feed on the fish and take their nutrition. Next one, heavy and solid bones make penguin heavier and help them to dive underwater for food purposes, because it depend on the aquatic animal like fish for their nutrition. So these are some of the features which help penguin to survive in polar region, and this special feature is known as the adaptation of penguins. Next one, the polar birds. Polar birds which found in the polar region is the Siberian crane and Arctic terns. As you can see the picture of both bird here. First one is the Siberian crane and second one is Arctic terns. To survive, they migrate to warmer region very first as soon as winter set and return after the winter is over. Clear? Means whenever the winter start, these birds, these polar birds, they migrate to warmer region. As soon as winter set, it return after the winter is over. This temporary change of living place or habitat is called migration. And the Siberian crane, it migrate from Siberia to Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. This bird sanctuary is present in Rajasthan. And secondly, they migrate or they come in our Haryana also, where in Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary, it is located in Faridabad. And third, they migrate in the wetland of northeastern part of India. But actually, both Siberian crane and Arctic tern, this is the endemic species of the polar region only, but for their survival, for their better adaptation and their environmental condition, whenever the winter season is set, they migrate to the warmer season and easily they can survive. Here some of the feature of the Siberian crane. Siberian crane must keep its body warm to survive in winter. So during winter it migrates to far away the warmer places. Siberian crane come to place in India like Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana to escape from the extreme winter in Siberia. So these are the polar animal. Today we discussed 3 polar animal. First one is the polar bear, second one is the penguin, and third one is the Siberian crane. Hope so all the point is clear to all the student. Thank you student to listening me carefully.